In this demo, I'll show you TeamMate's new integration with Mitel. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have a Mitel 1 client running. And you'll see here I'm logged into the client as extension 22101, which is registered to the Mitel PBX. On the right-hand side of the screen, we have a Teams client running, and it's registered as extension 22 on the Mitel PBX. First, for the chat integration. Starting in the Mitel 1 client, I'm going to invite my Teams user, Eric at teammatetechnology.com, to join a chat. So there I've submitted the request. And now over on the right-hand side in the client, we see that the request has been received and there's an acknowledgement where I can choose to connect. Once I click connect, you'll notice that a new chat has opened up, and the chat is with the Mitel 1 user named TeamMate user 3. Now we're ready to start chatting between both sides. Okay, so I'll type a message on the Mitel client. It says, hello from Mitel 1. You'll see it appears in the Teams client, just like any other regular chat would. Replying to the chat from the Teams client, hello from Teams, gets sent to the Mitel side and again appears as a normal chat would in Mitel 1. And then one will reply from Mitel 1, and you'll see that that shows up on the team side again. So that is the chat integration. Moving on to calling, I'm clicking now on the dial pad in Mitel 1 and the dial pad in Teams. Again, keep in mind that both sides are registered to the Mitel PBX. I'm dialing the Teams extension, which is 22135. Here we see it ringing, and now the call is connected. Now, once the call is connected, I'd like to show you another feature, which is our ability to inject adaptive cards with context about the call. In this case, this is a mock of what an AI system might insert, but it shows you how we can mix the text as well as the voice conversation in a single session. Okay, now moving on to the provisioning, I want to show you how easy it was to set up that demo we just did. This provisioning was done immediately before I recorded the user demo. And here I am in the TeamMate provisioning portal, and I'm going to choose Mitel as my PBX. And here it's asking me to put in the SIP user credentials for my user on the Mitel PBX. I'm pasting them in now. This can be done by CSV upload or by API as well, but since we're only doing one user, I'll just paste them in. And now I click Auto Provision. This is connecting to the Mitel PBX using the Mitel API, and you'll see it's thinking for a moment. But at the end of the process, in just a second, we should see, there we have it, a success message showing that user 22135 was fully provisioned in the Mitel PBX.